guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to make black color. For this we need a palette. I am using an empty container to reuse it, and Persian blue color, some brown color, brush and water, and to show the color how it looks, a copy. So let's get started. First we'll apply the one part of Persian blue color on the container or the palette. And after this we are going to apply the brown color, one part of the brown color, and then just mix both the colors. So I'm going to add half part of Persian blue color more to the color which we are going to make for the black color. So, and then just mix, and let me show you our black. So as you can see, our black color is ready. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. और अगर आपको ऐसी वीडियोस कलर मिक्सिंग की या कलर्स बनाने की और देखनी है, so in the end screen there will be a playlist named colors. Please watch it, or you can click on that I button to watch the playlist. So thank you and have a nice day, and thanks for watching.